Okay, so now I'm back. I just made a video using my e-cloth for the first time. Wasn't able to unbox it, but you know, things happen in real life, and sometimes you just have to be like, okay, I guess we're going off the schedule today. But Cornelius spilled a green smoothie all over right here. Okay, there was a smoothie. I got rid of the smoothie, but now we're gonna take the e-cloth with a little bit of ultra power. Hold on, let me try to get that off. Oh. Ultra powder power plus, if I could talk. And this is just the Norwex detergent. And I only used maybe the smallest amount. And this is the final result. Only the smallest amount and maybe like a cup of water. Oh, I just eyeball. But we're going to try to see if this gets this out. So I'm just going to put this in four corners. I'm going to fold it in 4 corners so I get more use for my buck. You know what I mean? I'm going to dip it in. And I did use warm water. And I'm just going to try a little spot. I'm not going to rub too much, but I'm just going to, you know, oh my gosh, it's working. To me, it looks like it is. And I'm just going to lightly. Okay. Either I'm seeing things or I'm about to have fun. I'm about to have fun. My kid is no longer going to be a challenge for me. Right? Right? Yes or no, Bubby?
No.
No what? You're never going to be a challenge for mommy again? You're going to be good? As he's digging into my junk drawer. Junk drawer. Okay. Okay. Bobby, where's the stain? Where'd it go? You don't see it no more. Okay, I'm about to show you guys. And I'm only like lightly going like this. Like I'm not pressing. Excuse me, honey. Hold on. Yes, that's your reindeer, I think. Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's more right there. Woohoo. Okay. So the first spot that I did. Sorry, y'all. I am just the hottest mom today. And I will be taking pictures so everybody can see what it looked like. And then if you also watch the video, you'll see what I was dealing with the first time. But all I am is I'm just lightly just rubbing it and it's gone. Like you do not see it. This is what it looked like before after I cleaned it up. You can see that it had that yellow. That yellow green tint, I don't see it anywhere at all. Now we do have this right here. So I'm going to try to use same stuff, same technique that I was using. And this time I will show you guys. No, don't touch that, Cornelius. What? So I dip a little bit and all I do is I just hold on.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not even pressing. I'm just lightly rubbing it in circles.
Look, Mommy. Ugly.
And look, is that gone? Oh my gosh. It's gone. It's gone. Oh, Cornelius, I think Norwex has saved the day today. Now we're gonna get this one off. I'm just gonna dip it again. And just lightly figure eight, circle motion. We'll get that one off too, whatever that is. Right off. I do apply a little pressure, but not so much that I'm going to be ruining the E-cloth or my fabric. Just creating some friction, some lovely friction. Yeah, that stain is gone. Okay, I'm going to take some pictures to show you guys what it looks like when it's dry and all that. But if you watch the other video, you will see, and this one, you will see what it looked like before I used my E-cloth and my ultra powder. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next disaster, which is in his room. So not going to get into too much details about that one, but that's going to be a whole nother video. Probably do that when he's sleeping maybe, because it's a lot. But okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.